Welcome to another DIYauto.com product review. In this episode, we'll be reviewing the Chemical Guys Detailing Kit. This kit comes with a car wash bucket, a dirt trap, the Citrus Wash and Gloss car wash soap, and a premium extra thick car wash pad. The bucket, well, it's a bucket. It's pretty sturdy and will hold several gallons of most liquids. The dirt trap sits at the bottom of the bucket. It keeps dirt and debris from getting into your sponge and scratching your car's paint. This trap is taller than most, so it should trap a lot of dirt. The premium extra thick wash pad is made of synthetic wool and seems high quality. It holds a lot of soap and water to get the job done. It shed a little bit on its first use, so you may want to run it through the washer before using it. The kit comes with a bottle of Citrus Wash and Gloss shampoo. It did the job well, cleaning our BMW to a nice shine. After washing the car, we strained the water to see how much dirt was trapped by the insert. Even though the BMW was pretty clean before the wash, it still trapped a good amount of dirt. This dirt could get trapped in your sponge and scratch your paint if you used a regular old wash bucket. We found the Chemical Guys Detailing Kit to be a great value. You get a sturdy bucket with a dirt trap, quality soap, and a wash pad for less than $40. If you're looking to upgrade your car wash supplies, this is a great place to start. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.